This 2024 Keystone Fuzion Impact 2813 is a toy hauler RV. It is located in Nacogdoches, Texas, 75964 and is offered for sale by Genuine RV and Powersports. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Keystone is 32 feet 3 inches in length and features a Brindle interior, Sleep 6, Skylight, smoke detector, spare tire kit, Slideout, carbon monoxide detector, oven, self-contained, LP detector, air conditioning, TV antenna, and 54 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this toy hauler features bunk beds, front bedroom. The unloaded weight of this 2024 Keystone Fuzion Impact 2813 is 7,170 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.